Video 993, my name is Kanji Coder. You are on the 1 minute code review. You might want to go here because we got a lot of ground to cover. Source code is here if you want to follow along. Let's go. Inside of the hunkering function section, inside of hunkering unit test main, we have the shared corners section. It's new. We have shared corners 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 0, 4, 8, and 12. Don't fucking do these. These are not the rooms that we are concerned with. Now, if you want to know what these data pixel indexes are, we have little diagram tags right here. Let's grab on to shared corner 1. Let's go look and see what kind of diagrams. Ooh, look, we got diagrams. Oh, what the fuck could that possibly mean? Oh, look, we have more diagrams. What the fuck could that possibly mean? Well, we ain't got time to fucking explain it, okay? Basically, as an explosion is emitted from a certain tile on the tile map, if that explosion crosses into adjacent levels, we need to figure out where the origin of the hunk vectors for that explosion are within their respective adjacent levels are, right? And that's what this is going to help us do, okay? Yeah, that's a horrible fucking explanation, but I literally don't have time to explain any further than that. So, right here, FAD offset is 64 because the top left corners of our data are actually always going to be the geometry layers when we're looking at the top left corner of a 128 by 128 block of level data. So we have to seek down by 64 pixels to get to the cluster of FATA memory, and the FATA memory is encoding our explosion. Z is for 0, K is for 2048 because the master memory pix 2048 is 2048 by 2048 pixels, and here we go. So we're going to calculate the XY values of the data pixel indexes as well, and then use that to cross-check our math, right? Just cross-check the values using these hard-coded formulas, because there's plenty of opportunity to make mistakes if we don't cross-check somehow. So we're going to do all this cross-checking over here to make sure that all of the data pixel indexes are correct. And then USO stands for unsolved offsets, and then we have these shared clusters. We have diagrams explaining what this is. You'll have to look at that in a different video. Unsolved offsets. So now we have these different kind of common origin points, but then we need to do a little bit of extra offsetting until we get these shared corners that we're going to use down here in these calculations to get these indexes that are going into our answer key right here. Okay, I am out of time. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. You really want to go to this longer video here because we just don't have time to go into like much detail about what's going on here. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. Like and subscribe.